Hello friends, today we are going to see the vehicle testing and maintenance unit number 6. In this unit, we are going to see the need of vehicle testing, vehicle test standards and different types of tests that are conducted for the vehicle and maintenance. Myself, Mr. Spud Gave, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering. So first, we are going to see the need of vehicle testing. It is the most important part before the vehicle launch in the market to check the numbers of parameters, and then the industry or the particular company is going to launch the auto. The importance of the testing in automotive industry, that is a industry is a highly competitive and progressive industry all across the globe. To survive in the market for a long period of time, the automotive industries need to be a consistently the innovative in terms of the quality, durability. Also, the manufacturers of vehicle need to ensure that a system and company components of the automobile must function properly throughout their working life. Although the environment which the automobile bear in year after year changes frequently, the engineers need to make the use of highly sophisticated and innovative test applications to enhance the performance and newly launched products in highly effective and modern way. So why there is a requirement of the testing of automobile industries arises? The main part of testing is the safety purpose, that is a human life. It is a most valuable. For that, initially we require to check the safety knobs and the durability of the vehicle. Also, with the growing rate of the innovation in industry, the test engineers need to react accordingly to the offer the best testing solutions and to the fast market changes, new launch and user-friendly testing solutions that can be implemented easily for highly advanced and new technological changes. However, sometimes the complex testing need for the highly effective and reliable testing strategies, right from the research, development, and till the final product is produced, then the engineers need to take the active and quick decision instantly. And in automobile industry, the particular company cannot manufacture all the components. So after assembly, we require to check the vehicle so that that will be perform longer period and that will be famous, and company growth and production goes on increasing. So that is a main important factor. With increasing the production rate and automotive components, risk with the manufacturing of the products also increase, with which that is initiated by the warranty issues of the product, and highlights the significance of the testing every stage. Each and every component of the automobile, it is necessary to test before that is installed or that is assembled inside the automobile. So the production, whether it is a research development and the raw material, that is inspection, or the product manufacturing. With the increasing demand of the testing, the professionals have started the considering the standards that are made or used to test automotive component, if it's such as ISO, Indian Standard Organization, BIS, ASTM, American Standard Testing, and many more. These standards are considered to design high quality testing machines to perform the various types of the test, and that measures the characteristics, properties, features of the vehicle and related components. So some standard introduced for the automobile, for standards for testing of the effect of ecological conditions, the various environmental conditions. So initially the after assembly of vehicle, that is okay, and but for different environmental condition, because there is a weather going continuously day by day going changes in environment. So various environmental conditions such as wind, humidity, cold, dampness, salt water, rainwater, heat, high temperature affect the quality of appearance of the automotive products, that affects on the surface quality or surface of the automotive. So the environmental testing standards are the highly standardized testing equipment help the authenticate the quality and fitness of the automotive components. The range of automotive testing equipments helps the creating the real working conditions with different environmental factors. This helps to ascertain the effect of the environmental condition on the automotive when they are subjected to the real working conditions, because that is a on the surface quality or the finish uh, that will be help to it get the longer or durable life. The customer get attracted or the particularly the more and more to attract the more customer. So that is the most important factor to they will be sustained longer period. There is no change in color or there is no change or rust cannot happen with the particular areas of joints at welding positions. So this is the most important factor or ecological condition. To test the same, the test engineer have introduced the various types of environment testing chambers. So these chambers helps to measure the effect of the fluctuation in temperature, altitude, humidity, and help to the determine the impact of the salt spray dust on the material. The environmental benefits that can be tested using testing machines are moist conditions, solar radiations, thermal cycles, environmental stress, cracking resistance, the effect of the weathering, and UV light conditions. So these are the numbers of parameters or environmental conditions that will be affect on the surface or the particular joints of the joints of the sheet metals. So these are the checked properly after assemble the vehicle. All the environmental test conditions are the created to the check the reliability and automotive components in each environment and pinpoint the defects and weaknesses that are initiated at the time of manufacturing. The standard for testing effect of the vibrant conditions, because of we are going to uh, drive the vehicle in different road conditions. So that is a most important to test the vehicle in vibrant condition. The automotive components that are provided in condition that is a stress, vibrations, sudden shocks, strains during the testing are subjected to such types of dynamic stress testing to estimate the working life of the automotive when they are operated on rough roads with continuous movement on the engine, and automobiles are designed to withstand the mechanical and physical forces, but at the time of working many problem arises, such as that is a flaws in structural elements, losing of fasteners, adhesives, and other wear and tear issues that can be lead to be product failure and also affect the product safety issues along with the cost of the warranty. So for that purpose, so initially for different conditions, road conditions and the different environmental conditions, we are going to check or test the vehicle before, that is a with warranty period, so that cannot be affect the customers. And the for safety knobs, the automotive testing equipments that is offer dynamic testing of the product, that is assures the component will survive for a long period of time. The sample components that are kept for testing are subject to mechanical shocks, vibrance conditions, clearly explain the level of vehicle or that is a surpass those levels to measure actual performance and life of the vehicle. The compliance of testing machines with standards. It is important for all the manufacturers in automotive industries to meet the standards that are suggested and introduced by the standardization authorities such as the ASTM, BIS, ISO, and the testing